Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to install Chrome in laptop. To start, go to the link we leave you in the video description, click Download Chrome. When the download is complete, open File Explorer and in the Downloads library, right-click on the executable and select Run as administrator. Press Yes. After that, wait for Chrome to be downloaded and installed locally on the PC. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. After this, it is possible to log in or not with our Google account. Now to set as default, open Settings from Start menu. Go to Apps section and open Default Apps. In the displayed configuration window, click on Google Chrome. After this, click Set Default. When you access the browser, enter a website. Click on the menu and click on Settings. You will go to the section on Startup. Here, check the box, open a specific page, and you can enter the desired page or use the one you currently have open. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.